Good morning, or good afternoon rather. It is Saturday the 23rd of May and I am ready for the day. Ooh, there's what are they called? Like roof lights, roof windows here, and it's very, very bright. So I am just ready. And I was just about to head out to West Bridgford and have a little wander around and look at some charity shops and things. And then I've just had a message from Sam to say that they are almost back. So I think I'll wait for them to get back, catch up with them, see what they've been up to, and then hopefully still sneak out because I really want to have a little browse of the charity shops this afternoon. So that is my plan. I'm wearing my Izzo Studio Rydal jumpsuit, play suit rather. It's very, very hot and lovely. No complaints here. But yes, I will hopefully take you along with me when I head out. For a little sit down in the park. It's such lovely weather. I've just been reading my book. It's been delightful, but I just thought I'd show you the few bits that I picked up in the charity shops. So it's mainly things for Taylor. In fact, it's all things for Taylor. So I picked up this jigsaw. He loves animals, so I thought that would be perfect for him. That was £2. Then I got him this one for obvious reasons when you see it. This is a Newcastle jigsaw. This was £4.99, so not particularly cheap, but you know, on the more expensive side for a charity shop, but that's fine. And it's like the extra large pieces, so I thought that would be ideal. Obviously Newcastle is where we live, in case anybody doesn't know that. I picked up this game for him as well, which looks really cute. I think he'll enjoy that. And also another game for him, which is Top Trumps. He's really been getting into Top Trumps recently, so he said, whenever you see a Top Trumps, mummy, can you get it for me? So this is a Predators one, which I think he'll really enjoy. They'll be really useful for when we're on holiday actually. And then I got him a little t-shirt, which I thought was quite sweet as well. So just a few little bits, and then popped into Boots and got myself some dry shampoo, some body moisturiser because I realised I'd completely forgotten to bring any with me, and then just some face moisturiser too. Nothing too fancy. So yeah, I've just been having a little sit down, a little read of my book in the sunshine, and now I'm going to head to the co-op to get a couple of bits and then back to the house to get ready for the wedding this evening. It's so nice just being in this park and seeing everybody. It's so busy with people playing and having picnics and doing all sorts. It's really, really lovely to finally have a bit of nice weather. It's really, really nice. If I told you that I'm wearing my Izzo Rydal jumpsuit, I will stand up and show you the full length. It's the playsuit version, obviously, in this weather, and I love it. It's made in this gorgeous floral viscose jersey, which was first for fabrics a couple of years back. It's lovely. Yeah, I'll stand up and share the whole look with you. I am actually going to be wearing this again tomorrow for our journey down to Lyme Regis, and I'm going to change out of this into something else for the wedding later on, so I'll come back on and share that with you too. I've had to sneak away from the wedding so that I could edit my reel for Instagram and upload it. So I'm just sitting in the most beautiful little grassy area. It's really beautiful, this venue. So I'll go back and join everybody in just a minute, but I'm quite enjoying this little bit of quiet time, if I'm quite honest. It's really lovely just to sit here and be in complete and utter peace while everybody else is partying. But yes, I will go back and be sociable. I can't be staying here for the whole evening. Hear those birds? It's like, let's see the time, 10 to 9 in the evening, and I'm sitting here in this dress, which is my Tammy handmade daisy dress. This has been released on Tuesday, so I was on the pattern testing team for this pattern and I absolutely love it. It's gorgeous. The fabric that I've used is beautiful too. This is a viscose linen from Rainbow Fabrics. Got my gorgeous Sapphire Frills earrings in, which match the dress, and yeah, and my shoes. I had a bit of a shoe crisis when I knew I wanted gold shoes because I've got a gold handbag to go with this, and I was looking around a few different shops to try and find some gold sandals. Couldn't find any in my size, and then my very last place that I thought I would try, well, it was Marks and Spencer's. They didn't have anything, and then I went to Marks and Spencer's children's section and I found the perfect pair of gold sandals in my size. Well, I'm a 6.5, they're a 6, but they fit perfectly, and they were really cheap. Well, £24, which, considering all of the shoes that I'd looked at previously, were around 50 in the adult sections. So I was delighted with these. I'll show you them in just a moment. But yes, I feel lovely in this outfit. I'm having a really nice time, and I should go back and join everybody really. But I just love going to a wedding. We don't have very many, we probably won't have very many left to go to be honest, because all of our friends have sort of got married now, and yeah, this is one of Sam's friends from university, so it's been really lovely to meet his lovely wife, and she looks beautiful, and just to see everybody having a lovely time. But I really love going to a wedding, and to know I don't have many left in my life, maybe until Taylor gets married. Yeah, right, I'm gonna go, I'll show you a little bit of the scenery, and then I'm gonna go back and join everyone. Sam will wonder where I've got to. The shoes from the children's section of Marks and Spencer's.